Welcome. This is February's creation, and this episode I'm going to show you how to do a beaded pen holder. And this time around we are using mixed colors and sugar beads. So this is our bead. This bead is called sugar beads. We have our fishing line size 0.6 and our scissors. So the base is just like starting our bead. We are going to do our bead mats, and after that we will fold them to achieve the pen holder. So 3 beads, and we use the 4th one to do the cross threading. Then one on the right, one on the left, and we use the 3rd bead to do the cross thread. We are repeating till we get our desired length. With this, the size depends on you, whether you want it big or small. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm turning on the 6th. I'm going to weave it in parts, and after that I'll join them together, or you can weave it straight away. Then you fold them and join the pieces together. The colors are really nice. So after turning, we are using 2 beads. Going to turn again. So these are beaded mats. So we are going to do 2 of this. So this is the other one and a longer one. So we are coming to join them together to get the pen holder. So when you are joining them together, you pick one bead, then you slip your fishing line in this one, then the other one too in this one. Then you use another bead to do the cross threading. Then it goes in again. Then you pick another.
Shoulder.
I hope you are following what I'm doing. So we join them together. You see, you can't even see the line. So you leave your thread and do same for the other side. So this is what it looks like after joining. It looks like a T. And I'm coming to fold it to achieve a pen holder. So you fold this part where you joined, then you fold this one as well. Then with this side, we are counting 7 and we fold them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you place your hand here. So then this part too, you count 7 and you fold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you also put your hand here. You fold it. So this is how it is like. We are now coming to join this side and this side. Then we are done. So we are joining them together. See the thread. At this point, you need to pay attention. You see my thread. One goes into this bead. The other one goes into this bead. I hope you get what I'm saying. Then you pick just a bead. Then one goes in this. Goes into this. Then you pick just a bead. Then you keep on repeating. Oh, the vase is very beautiful. Whichever way you want to use it. If you want to use it for pen holder, brush holder, depends on you. Hope you really enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Like and leave your comments in the description. Thank you.